Mastering Cardinal Numbers, a gateway to English fluency. Hello, language learners. Today, we are diving deep into an exciting and essential aspect of English grammar, cardinal numbers. We use these every day, but what exactly are they? Let's find out. Cardinal numbers, in the simplest of terms, are numbers that denote quantity. They tell us how many. So, numbers like 1, 2, 3, and so on, are all cardinal numbers. We use them to count, to list, and to organize. For example, I have 2 apples, or, she read 3 books. To fully understand and appreciate the power of cardinal numbers, let's look at some examples. Pay close attention to how they can completely change the meaning of a sentence. 1. I have 1 cat, versus, I have 2 cats. The number of cats changes with the cardinal number. 2. There are 3 chairs in the room. Here, the cardinal number tells us about the quantity of chairs. 3. She visited 5 different cities. The cardinal number shows the number of cities visited. Remember, the role of the cardinal number is to convey quantity. Cardinal numbers are a part of our everyday lives, from ordering a coffee, I'll have 2 coffees, please, to setting an alarm, wake me up in 7 hours, and even organizing our calendars. Today is the 25th of June. So, every time you use a number to signify a quantity, you are using a cardinal number. It's essential to familiarize yourself with these because they are the foundation of English numeracy. That's it for today, folks. Now you know what cardinal numbers are and how to use them. These are a crucial aspect of mastering English, so practice using them whenever you can. Remember, the key to language learning is practice, practice, and more practice. So, go ahead and count your steps, your clothes, or the books on your shelf in English. Keep practicing and, until next time, happy learning.